Where we left off?
So you told us about the researchers and where we can do patents and other all things.
Okay. Did you define your problem, statement of problem? So all of you enter your name at chat window for the attendance. Did you went through some of the websites links it was shared? So in addition to your name, you also tell me the problem you want to address. So this, even though it is a theoretical class, without by doing the practice approach by yourself, you cannot understand it clearly. That's why I have collected all of the problem which is going to address from your classmates in the offline class. uh, it, since it is an online class, you are required to enter the problem which you are going to address, the passion of your problem, and the company which you are targeting. Anusha, so after the MCA of MCA, which company you would like to join? So one student, Srinivasa, Sri Vishnu, has given the statement such that the he want to address the problem regarding internet security, and the Kaushik D he has given to address military base security. Military base security. Good. Yes. Then remaining students: Anusha, Manoj, Manish, Akrut Kumar. Network issues. Network issues. You want to address the problem, or currently you are facing network issue? Akrut Kumar. You want to address network issue as a problem, or currently you are facing network issue? Yeah, you want to address, right? Network issues. Then Huma, data privacy. Anusha Ramachandra. Anusha, data privacy. Yeah. Next, Manish. Manish, you want to address security issues. Why you are choosing these topics? Since it's a my area of topic, you are choosing that topic, or your passion of interest you are choosing. So I want the answer from your end. Sugandhini, your passion of interest to solve, address some issues. So based on your title, what you have going to give, we are building a journals which you are going to publish later. That is the outcome of this course. Sugandhini Aradhya. Sir, some people corrupt money manually. If we bring online portal so that corruption reduces. So probably blockchain technology, Sugandhini, because currently virtual currencies are there. Blockchain technology. Good. The next, Darshan Kumar. Anagha Prakash is over, right? Anagha Prakash. Quickly tell your inputs. I'm choosing as a passion of interest. Okay, good. That is expected from your end. Rather than choosing from the faculty who is teaching that on his area of interest, you choose your passion of interest. We will learn how to model your problem, how to solve all those things we will try. The next, another Prakash, where you want to address which area of passion of your interest. Network issues caused during money transfer. Prakash. To solve network issues caused during money transfer. Good. The next, Darshan Kumar.
Enhancement in speed of data transfer.
Enhancement in
Speed of data transfer.
enhancement in speed of
Data transfer.
data transfer. Then, good. Next, Rupak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Which I'll send it in message.
To
make
make
in this
Indian
list.
sites more interactive and secure by analyzing various open codes. To make
Yes, sir. So,
Indian
to make secure, Indian web to secure
sites
and interactive.
more interactive, right? Interactive and secure by analyzing various open codes. Good. Next, who else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining two. Huma Busra. Huma Bushra. Quickly respond. We'll have lot of discussions today.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where you want to
Sir, I'd
address?
like to SAP, SAP, and also for networking through data science, networking issues.
You just in networking or data science, what you are going to do? Give me a raw statement. I'm not expecting specific statement. As a beginner, whatever it is there in your mind, just give in terms of statement.
Networking issues, sir.
You can
Yes, sir,
type in
networking.
chat window.
Networking issues, sir.
You are facing network issue or you want to address network issue?
Yes, sir, addressing network issues.
Network issue. In what?
Yeah.
Uma Bushra. Addressing network issue. Fine. So one more student. Here there are 12 students are there, including me. Shadab for data encryption to make new. Yeah, very good. Shadab, very nice topic. Shadab Ansari. To make new cryptography techniques for data encryption. Innovative idea. Very good. Okay. So, did you went through the any of the websites which I was shared? Yeah. Huh. Are you able to see the presentation?
Sir.
Okay. So the first link, that is IEEE explorer.ieee.org.in dot. So you search. So I will show you with relevant to your topic how you can download the existing journals from these scientific reputed sites. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So rather than go with theory, we'll go with practical kind of thing. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So the Google is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. So I copied the first
Yes,
internet
sir.
IEEE explorer.org. Open it. So it's an scientific website. Here, for example, I will go with a title called as security data privacy. Okay. Anusha's title is you check your area of problem you are addressing. Here, for example, Sheikh, I am showing here data privacy. Suppose she wants to address for Anusha wants to address for data privacy. So I am typing data privacy. So when I click enter, it will list some of the researchers already published in the reputed journals. Some of the researchers already published in reputed journals. See, data privacy is not a new concept of the idea, but privacy is still it is the data is being hacked. So previous to go in detail of data privacy, I'll try to show how much, how, at what level, at what extent data is going to be breached from the hackers to several uh, companies. So through the information is beautiful is a one side. The information is beautiful is the one side. It provides the data breaches. Data breaches. Information is beautiful. In this website, you are going to see the level of data breach in terms of picture, in terms of image. Observe here, still it is loading. In the 2020 itself, Facebook data lost is 420 million. With respect to the timeline, probably the dream company may be a victim of the hackers. You can observe Facebook itself 420 million. When you place the cursor onto it, several unprotected databases were found to contain the phone numbers of around 20% of all Facebook users, with, in some cases, names and locations. If you want to read more, click here. So Microsoft vulnerabilities to 250 million. Oxydata 380 million. Twitter, see, the most of the famous websites, they are vulnerable from the hackers. See, some of the small home mobile, December 2020, the information is breached. What are the information they are hacking? Full names, telephone numbers, social security numbers, email addresses, dates, place of birth, nationality, such so and so personally identifiable data which is going to be hacked. See, observe in during 2017, Aadhaar identification was hacked. Several, so what they hacked the content, Indian citizens were affected, their names, identity numbers, and bank details were exposed. Data later found for sale on WhatsApp for less than €6. See, this is the security issues so with respect to timeline. During 2017, these companies were hacked. During 2018, these companies, Apollo Pharmacy and all, Twitter, Quora, so many websites which we are using, right? Pakistani mobile operators. So most of the companies are victims of the victims for the hackers, right? Is it clear? So with respect to that, now the Anusha wants to address the data privacy. So when I search with the IEEE Explorer, the journal, we are able to find the conference paper around 27,659, journals around 4,695, magazines, early access articles, books, standards, courses, etc. When suppose if you are a lack of knowledge in data privacy, you can refer the courses. You can refer the courses. Just select that one, apply. So it will list out the courses relevant to the data privacy. So you can apply for the courses, you can learn from them. Or suppose if already have a basic knowledge of it, then instead of going with the courses, you can go with conferences and journal. There is a little difference between conference and journal. Conference is also an event in which where the researchers or the teachers or the students is going to publish their work, present their work in front of the expert community, right? Based on the community feedback, again you are coming back and implementing them in your work and representing and reproducing it in the journals. Journals is nothing but it's a complete work which you are done is going to be published under the journals magazines. So now you go with the journals to download at least latest 20 papers of your relevant work. So in the data privacy, Anusha, are you there? Anusha, are you there in the classroom? If she is not there, I will take the another example. So she is not there. So I'll go with the one more example. Blockchain technology. I'll go with Sugandhin. That problem, right? So how to collect the research papers is the demonstration. So blockchain technology. Blockchain technology. You are required to download at least minimum 20 journals of the years 2017 to 20. In between these years, you require to download. So in blockchain technology, around 3,684 conferences was happened. 940 journals, early access articles, magazines, books, courses, standards. So now you go with the journals. Go with the journals. Apply. So here some journals are open access. You can look the lock symbol here at the right part of the every link. It tells you that it is open access. This article you can freely downloadable. This is second article is closed lock. It means that you cannot directly download this article. If you are downloading this article means it is required to pay some remuneration to the author or the journal or the publisher. Okay, so from year 2019 you download a paper. So it is the year range 2017, 18, 19, 20. In these 4 years, you can download the lot of papers. But what I am expecting is Sugandhini. So blockchain technology, you want to make currency, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to create a currency which is not destroyable, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will refine the search blockchain technology under that cryptocurrency. I'm going to refine the search in the blockchain technology cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency. Again in cryptocurrency, see, observe here, see how many, most of the paper published, but not open source. See, all the lock is closed locks only. Oh, one open source. You can go with pay as you go, a generic crypto tolling architecture. So let us click on this one. See how many journals it is going to be listed for the cryptocurrency. Conferences, 148 conferences, 15 journals was published. Means it's a recent area of work, so that's why less number of the, and moreover you just see here the the year of publication is 2020. So when I click this open, it will open the new page. It consists of the abstract of the paper. See here, cite this means it is nothing but your referencing this paper. PDF, when you click on PDF, if it is open source, it is downloadable. Since it is open source, it is downloadable freely. See, the paper published in IEEE Access, special selection on blockchain technology, principles and application. Under this heading, publisher has published, received, it was published on date 25th September 2020. The paper was received from IEEE's 25th September, but accepted on 11th October after the peer reviews, critical reviews. After they accepted that paper, submitted paper on October 11th. Then after that, they are published the accepted paper at the date 28th October 2020. Then current version which is available is what we are looking here is the 10th November article. So means after modified all the content with respect to the work which is published by the authors. See, digital object identifier, through this also you can identify the paper. See, just you can suppose copy and paste in a new tab, directly it locates to this paper. When you click on this, directly it locates to that paper. See, the digital object identifier, when through that also you can identify that paper. Okay, when you click that, it will take you to the Explorer paper. Getting? Digital object identifier. Through DOI also we can access the papers. Fine. Now every paper has the title of your interest, right? And these are the authors. These are the authors and author affiliation, belongs to which college, which university, etc. and so on. It is representing here. And the first title of every paper is abstract. Then it is called as keyword or index terms. For quick search, through that search, this paper is going to be identified through the Google. That's called as keywords or index term. Every paper begin with introduction, then followed by any technologies which is going to be used, that is technology or methodology which it is used, and if any graphs are there or any images which you are going to derive of your work. Then after that, evaluation, validation. So with respect to this paper I am talking, but in general, abstract, keywords, introduction, literature survey, methodology or algorithms discussed, results discussed, conclusions, references, then author profile. Usually the general order of the paper is that, right? Here references, this is very important. If you are reading some other's article, you need to cite them to give the credential to them. You require to give the credits to them if you are referring to this paper. Suppose if you are referring this paper in your article, then you provide the one sequence one, citation one, and provide the names of the author which is displayed on the above the paper. Then the title of this paper, so and so, volume and so on so. Okay. So Sugandhini, you require to not only you, the students who is attending this research methodology class, you are required to download minimum 20 papers from of your addressing the problem. So one more, I will take the example. For example, Sri Vishnu also want to address internet security. So just type the internet security, then search for it. So lots of tons of material is available. Among that, which one is open access? Try to find it. Dynamic defense architecture for the security of the Internet of Things, or internet security. It's a paid version. You need to pay and download this one, right? So 2011 is not required. You can refine your search using the filter, several filter options. You can filter, you can limit the search from the dates year 2007 to 2021. Apply, filter this one. Latest publications only it is going to be listed here. So in the latest itself, around 18,093 journals it is going to form. Say in the year 2019, cyber security concept for Internet of Everything, right? This is one scientific website which you can download or refer the study material to address the problem which you identified. Okay, so the second one is the Science Direct. Similarly, you can use the Science Direct to refer the published articles. ScienceDirect.com. Again, here you find the keywords. For example, let us go with Kaushik D. His area. So military base security. Search for it. I don't know the author name, the public, wherever it is published in this Science Direct, I want to get it listed. So open it. So energy and the military, convergence of security, economic. What do we think that most of the time, whatever it is coming to our mind, we are thinking that it is new. But many times, most of the people already worked on that area. So instead of doing it from scratch, search for the relevant resource which meets your idea, at least nearest to your idea, and you refer and keep it as a base paper. Through that, you start continuing your research work. Okay, trying to provide the solution to the problem. See, so many materials are available here. Securing wireless sensor in military application. See, one which suits for him is military base security. 5G for military communication. Let us go with this because 5G is the new idea coming into the infrastructure of the internet. So you can refer this one. You can download from Science Direct and you can refer this one. So every paper, as I said, it start with abstract, followed by introduction, followed by literature survey, follows the definitions and all, followed by the work methodology or the algorithm or the process you are going to implement, then followed by the future enhancements, followed by the conclusion, then future enhancement, followed by references and bibliography or references and author. See, relevant paper you can keep download. minimum you can download 20 papers from the year 2017 to 2020. So first you do the downloading 20 papers, then gradually I will tell what to do with those papers in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll learn one by one, step by step, rather than putting everything onto your mind. I'll go with the one by one. First, download the 20 papers, relevant papers to your area of work. Okay, you can use the Clarivate Science, Web of Science website also. These are all the relevant resources for the research work. Let us go with the simple topic like this is the Web of Science. You can hear products and services. So before going with this, you require to register with the Web of Science and all. So I'll be back with the Science Direct. Science Direct. I will search, rather than going with the technological, I will search for, suppose, pen. Manufacturing fans, right? Fans and ventilation. See how many articles it can be, you can find it. Fan history, types, properties of gases, air and gas flow, fan performance, fans, deduction. See, whichever it is visible to your eyes, all are the outcome of the one or the other person research, right? Okay, whichever the keyword you type in the here, you will get tons of results. See here, 4,73,000 and odd a publication you can find on just on fan itself, right? So many articles you can find. So similarly, you go with elsewhere, Nature and Springer.com and all. Okay, for downloading with relevant 20 papers, which is nearer to your idea. Don't so in the beginning itself it is difficult to download because sometimes you are downloading with keywords only. In that case, you are going to download 100, 200 papers. So if you download more and more papers, you will get confusion. You will stuck with filtering. So to avoid that one, try to download a limited number. From that, download 20 papers. Choose the papers which is nearer to your idea. Choose the paper. So I will tell how to choose the paper and how to you continue with that work. I will tell in the next class. I will not put everything in a single day. Okay. So these are the data sets websites which helps you to collect the data which is relevant to your work. For example, let's go with the which one? Military base security, that one. So type data.kaggle.com. Kaggle.com. It's a data site website. So, and also several data sets are available. You can register first before accessing the dataset. So one set is available here. See here, face detection in images, financial tweets, Star Trek, right? Kaggle also provides the courses to learn data sciences. So you can click on data sets for the documents, data sets. Kaggle provides the data sets. So many data sets which helps for your research work. So recent data sets is COVID data sets. Credit card number, financial transaction if you want to prevent, you go with credit card customers data set. See The popular data sets is COVID-19, credit card for fraud detection, heart disease, health related data sets, mobile price classification data set, cheat sheets, data science. So many data sets which will be, you can refine that data sets through computer science. See here the sub assigned data sets, computer science related data sets, Sahab for paper downloading. So access to computer from home, credit card, stack overflow data. So most of the data set you will require to look into each one of that which suits your the work. So there are a lot many number of pages of the data sets is visible. Before that you require to register for it. Right. Suppose let's go with one more here. Agriculture related issues. Someone has given financial domain in banking. Some has given financial domain. In that case, um, credit card data sets helpful. Again, it is if you refining and reaching to the specific goal, then you are able to get the data set which is relevant to that. Till that you will get a confusion which data set is suits for your research work. Okay, here one machine learning and data science survey research data science survey is there. So which data is required, all those things which will be there. You can download the data sets here, conversion rates, free form, multiple choice responses, schema. So many data sets are available. You can download and you can make use with the help of the tools for your research. So gradually we will go in detail about the data sets. One more website is there, that data.gov.in. It's a governmental website for the data. It's a MHRD again provided this data.gov.in. Again Indian site. You are going to get lots of data relevant to the your work. So whether if you are concentrate on water and sanitation, such kind of data source will be available. If you are going with health, so many data sets are available in the health column. If you are solving the traffic issues, the transport related is going to get here. Then if you go with the labor and employment, economy, education, industry, demography, which area you are touching upon, the similar the data sets which is available with the data.gov.in. Okay, these are all the basic funda we need to have in our mind to carry out the research. So similarly, there is another database, data sets, NVD National Vulnerability Database, nvd.nist.gov. So lots many national vulnerability. Those who are working on security, computer security, internet security, then remote security. For them, this is the best data set website for their research. Data security based on the vulnerability which is going to be identified through that, it is going to publish here. So national vulnerability database, this one. So similarly, there are various websites are there on the data sets online free. If you click, if you search in Google, lots of are there. Among that, three are we have seen. One more is there, dataquest.io. You can check. Tableau is there, another public data sets. Go with the tableau.com. 7 public data sets you can analyze for free right now. So Google Trends, national climatic data center. If you are working on weather forecasting, global health related, data related, data.gov.sg, Singaporean based, Earth data, Amazon services. So some of the open source data sets also available. Okay. So go through with other links, explore and learn from them. And the funding agencies which are so I'll go with the first one. It provides the funds to carry out the research work. These are the following funding agency: AICTE, India.org. It will provide research funds for the students, those who are working on research projects. So here research fund through atomic energy. So in our case, a DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, Kaushik, I think Kaushik D, he has given military base, right? Military base security. Then you can try for the funding for defense DRDO. So when you go with DRDO website, so DRDO, the URL may be changed, but you search in the Google DRDO, it will provide a lot of funding support for you to carry out your project work. Right. Sometimes the in-house department and the management of BMSIT also supports for the students' projects in their research to carry out their works also. These are all the agencies, one which I have discussed here. Just go through with all the explore and complete the assignment. So assignment I was given for the offline student. Now I'm going to show you. So you take the screenshot of it or you can note down. So assignment one is identify and write the statement of problem to address solution to societal needs. To provide solution to societal needs. Write the statement of problem to address solution to societal needs. Okay, just now you identified that is assignment 1A is over. 1B is that identify the funding agency which helps you to support financial needs to address societal problem which you identified to provide a solution. This question is linked to the first one. Identify the funding agency. So one which I listed here, right? Similarly, several are there. You can identify them. So with respect relevant to your work, which agency is going to provide the support for the monetary support for your work? Identify that one. The C is again prepare a draft report for the agency which you have identified in 1B and identify the dream company you would like to join and the company working on the domains of your passion. Suppose here Kaushik D military base security, his passion is that area. Then he can look into Cisco. He can like for example, I'm giving here. He can look into Cisco. He can look into the CDAC. He can look into the Salesforce. He means the people who is working on the military based security or the internet security or the cyber security agency. He can search. He can target those company as his dream company and start learning about them, which domain exactly where they are providing the services or support to the clients and all. So you need to provide the complete details of that. It need not be everyone need not be if there are 5 or 6 students are here, they have selected security. Everyone need not to be a Cisco. Everyone need not to be a CDAC. It depends on your dream company which you can target. Right, need not be the same company of all. Fine. So you are required to submit the submission date, which is given 30th 1 2021. Okay, 8 days is left over with you. So you, how the hard copy is not required to submit, you do create a document. I will share the cloud folder. There you need to submit. Okay, so you create a Word document. You first you type BMS Institute of Technology and Management. Then under that a Department of MCA. Under that your name and the your name and semester. Then the assignment one. The course name is Research Methodology and IPR. Assignment one. Then that your document should have this one. Then final after that solution part, each one identified what you identified, that type, that statement of the problem, etc. and so on. Okay, I hope you understood how to do the assignment.
Sir, how to prepare a draft report, sir?
Yeah, you choose the word file, right? You choose the Word file. So wherever you are searching, all the reference also should be here. For example, I'll give one example. Suppose you search the information is beautiful.com. You search this website. You put that under the references. So which website you referred? Suppose this website is referred. So in the continuous report, you mention the citation. Why you have looked into that website? To know the breaches happened in the IT companies, right? So this statement relevant to the reference one, where you found that this information, you found that information through this reference. Usually the reference is the last heading. Do whatever you want. Suppose other stuffs you are doing here, right? Suppose if this is the third statement is referencing some other website like IEEE, you give the reference here as a second reference, IEEE Explorer.org. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, do whatever you want. Before that, you follow the here type BMS Institute of Technology and Management, then Department of MCA, then your name, right? Semester 1, course, research methodology and IPR, course code 20, MCA 15, right? Assignment, you make it center aligned, right? So then start typing the one which it is given here. From here onwards, you start identifying. You start working. It is not a complete one. It is
Yes,
the
sir.
beginning of your research journey. Yes.
Sir, do we need to write the questions as well? Means mention the questions as well, or just start with the answers of A identifying?
So instead of it's a question and answer, you mention all these three above here, right? Assignment 1
Okay,
above.
sir.
Here onwards you start answering.
Okay, sir.
Then answer. A may be a 1 page or 2 page or 1 line or 2 line, depends on how you are defining. Okay. So now come with the B. Several funding agency may support for single project. You mention all the funding agencies which were area which they are supporting, all those things you mention, and also you will come to know it may be a single page or 2 page or 3 page, or it may be 50 pages also sometime the question. How so depends on how you are deeply involving in this activity. Getting
Yes, sir.
right? If you involve deeply in this activity, you will learn a lot of things here. You will get an idea such that if you do tomorrow some projects, definitely you are able to tell to your yourself or to your juniors or your seniors, you go and meet this agency, you will get a fund for this one. Like that, you will get prepared by doing this assignment.
Sir, can we submit the assignment in PDF format?
Yeah, you can submit it in PDF or Word itself. Okay. So I will share the drive, Google Classroom drive folder. For that, you require to upload.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so
Can you
the
send us the format of the draft?
Uh, the format which is given here, no, it is you are able to see this.
Yes, sir. I'm
You are
talking
able to
about
see
the
this.
draft, sir. So the format
sir,
of the
draft report is nothing but the reference, right, sir?
Which one?
The draft report is nothing but a reference from which we have taken the information.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, this is
Okay.
reference. Suppose tomorrow, if I evaluate your copy, something you written here, right?
Yes, sir.
So based on what you are declared, written this one. If I would like to know about inner details, I can go with reference rather than calling you. I will directly go with this reference and will come to know.
Okay, sir.
Okay, otherwise, if you are not referencing means you are telling that I used Google, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or we are using Google only, but what exact which website URL you referred? Getting?
Yes, sir.
So whatever you do mention here, the references and all, whenever you are creating the journal, outcome of this course is you are publishing article in journals. While writing the journals, whatever you taken the references, you are going to mention in that. Later point of time, if you forget to mention here, later point of time again, if you want to search for the reference, again it waste of time. Getting then and then only you record immediately that references which you used in your assignment report.
Okay, sir.
So it helps you to speed up your publication work. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
hope I made you understand, right?
Sir, you told to download at least 20 journals.
Papers. Huh.
Yes. So you told that to download 20 different journals or 20 page of one journals.
In one journal, it includes 1 to 20 sheets, maximum 12 sheets,
Okay, sir.
pages, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
20 journals are needed,
Okay, sir.
not the journal which is having 20 sheets.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that journal, irrelevant journal, don't download. Waste of time again because you need to filter out.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So, suppose your name,
Shri Vishnu.
huh? Sri Vishnu.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
Sri Vishnu, you are addressing internet security, right?
Yes, sir.
So, internet is a wider one, a big technology, right?
Yes,
It's
sir.
a base infrastructure for everything which is going to happen. So, I suggest you there is a documentary video is there with the internet security. YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Go to YouTube. Definitely, it will give lot of insights of about the internet security.
Okay, sir.
How exactly internet was built up. So you already know what is internet. Definition part I am not talking.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Technically, how they have built up that internet architecture, it is there. Documentary video.
Okay, sir.
You refer that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
so from that you can prepare the report. This report.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Similarly, like data privacy, go with several websites are there. GDPR kind of things, General Data Protection Acts are there. Data privacy and all. Fine. So data transfer and all. Again, network architecture you need to study, right? So many things are there. Money transfer. Again, it is a network related. Anagha Prakash. Okay. Network and database related. Both it comes into picture. Okay, a network issue, Huma Bushra, network issue again, network infrastructure means layered architecture you need to understand. All those stuffs are there. Okay. So don't worry, it should be perfect. It should be not perfect in the beginning. We are just beginners. We don't know anything now, how to do research and all. So we are going to gradually learn how we can adopt this research environment during this academic, right? Then gradually we'll understand what it is, etc. and so on. Fine. So I'm not expected the perfect assignment. No. Whatever you are thinking, you just put it in your document in terms of English. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you share those
sir.
website links, sir?
Yes, I'll put in the WhatsApp group. Okay. It helps to all others also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Oh,
sir.
fine. Ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Today we'll stop now.
Okay, sir.